Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
I will show you how to remove Facebook sharing from Instagram step by step. Start by understanding why you might unlink the accounts before changing settings. Unlinking stops automatic cross-posts from Instagram to Facebook and gives you control. This separation preserves privacy and prevents accidental posting to a business page or a personal profile. Follow the exact menu paths I described to avoid confusion and to keep both accounts intact while changing sharing preferences. Open the Instagram app and tap your profile to access settings and privacy. Tap Settings, then Account Center to view linked accounts and sharing controls. Choose Sharing across profiles to see what content currently syncs between accounts. Select the Facebook account or page listed under Accounts and Profiles for removal. Choose Remove from Account Center and confirm the action to stop cross-posting immediately across Instagram and Facebook profiles. After removal, log out and back into Instagram to refresh the account state and settings. If sharing persists, open Facebook settings and revoke Instagram app permissions under Apps and Websites. For business profiles, open Facebook pages and remove Instagram from connected accounts or page roles. Clear the app cache or reinstall the Instagram app if links still appear after these steps. Finally, test by creating a private test post.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.